In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix an Acer laptop black screen issue where the laptop turns on but the display stays black. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, just make sure that your laptop is plugged in and using a working charger. Sometimes the charger itself or the power brick can fail, so if possible, try using a different charger or a wall outlet and let your laptop charge for at least 30 minutes before moving on to these next steps. I would also make sure that you check to make sure that your screen isn't too dim. Sometimes on those Acer keyboards, brightness controls are the function keys. It's usually F5 or F6. Just try pressing the brightness up a key, and on some laptops, you'll need to hold the FN key while pressing the brightness key. Just make sure the brightness isn't the issue before continuing. If you're still having issues, what you're going to want to do, and this is by far the most effective fix, is press and hold the following keys at the same time. It's going to be Control, it's going to be Shift, it's going to be the Windows key, and then it's going to be the B key. If you hold all four keys together for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, the keyboard shortcut refreshes the display driver and can bring the screen back. You may hear a beep or notice the screen flicker. Don't worry, that's normal. And after doing that key combination, hold down the power button on the laptop for about 30 seconds until you notice the Acer logo appear. Whenever that logo does appear, release that power button, and as you can see, your screen should now turn back on and work normally. But that is it. If you are still having any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.